Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this Repricer video, we're going to take a look at some of the custom settings that are available within your sales rule. If you're unfamiliar with sales rule, we've made a couple of other videos which go through them in more detail elsewhere on the channel. I'll include a link in the description. With that said, let's get started. Go to Repricing Rules on the left hand side of your screen, and then click on one of your sales rules. Once your rule is loaded, just scroll down to the Settings section. Our first setting determines what data your rule is going to use to trigger. By default, your sales rule will look at the money made from your orders. Using this setting, you can change this to look at the number of orders made. So instead of looking at £100, you're looking at 10 orders. In our custom timings, you have two options available to you. The first is to determine how often your sales rule is going to run. You can set it to run as often as every 2 hours or as infrequently as every 3 days. Our next setting allows you to stop your product from triggering too often. You can set up your rule so any products that are triggered will not be allowed to trigger again for a set number of days. By using this setting, you ensure any changes that have been made by the previous run of your rule have a chance to bed in. The final option we have is psychological pricing. We're all well aware of the power of having 99 cents at the end of your price. What psychological pricing allows you to do is to tag all prices generated by this rule to your desired psychological price point. You can use any of the numbers ending in 9. Most commonly, I imagine you'll want to use 49 cents or 99 cents. Before we move on, I just want to make sure we're all on the same page on how this applies. Your rule will automatically move your product to the closest price point in the direction your price is moving. So if your price is increasing, it'll go up, or if it's decreasing, it'll go down to the next. I've put a couple of examples on screen just to help explain. And that's just a quick look at the settings within your sales rules. Again, if you'd like a bit more information about the sales rules themselves, I've included links in the description. If you haven't already started your trial with Repricer.com, sign up today for free for 14 days, or why not book a demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining us today, and have a great day.